Hello, Elian. Welcome to our research center in Shenzhen. And you traveled especially from Bolivia to Shenzhen, China. It was a long trip, and I don't know what your first impression is.
Well, first of all, it's a 3-day trip that was tiring, yes. But more than tiring, I am very motivated to learn. That's why I came all the way out here.
What is it that brings you?
What brings me are the new technologies that I know. In my country, we are still starting with, but I know that in a couple of years this will arrive in full force. And we have to be at the forefront with this new technology.
How exciting. So, I don't know what challenges are being faced in Bolivia. And what we can do at SmartSafe.
Well, the training that they are giving us is going to help us a lot to handle this technology and understand and comprehend it so that later we can apply it to the vehicles that are arriving to us nowadays. Super!
Thank you very much, and we invite everyone to come and participate in our training. Thank you very much.
100% recommended.